Hi guys, it's Antonella and Mark. Today we wanted to go over a question that we get asked about a lot, which is, am I a subcontractor or am I a vendor under a government contract? And this is very important, so that's why we wanted to go over it today. If you are a subcontractor, FAR 52.212-5E does require certain mandatory flow downs. But even if it's not called out in the contract, the law says that there are flow downs that still apply, so it's very important to know your status. And if you ever have questions, you can always ask us about that. There is a test to find out your status. The first thing to do is check the dollar amount of your contract. That's going to tell you which flow downs are required. And the second test is the product or service that you're offering necessary or incidental to the performance of the contract? Mark, do you have some examples that you can share with us?
Sure. Let's say you're a federal contractor. You have a contract from the government to prototype an assembly for the Bradley fighting vehicle. You need to buy from Company A. There's a significant component assembly that you need to buy. They're going to 3D print it, and you need some fasteners and some cabling that's going to help with the assembly. And those are really COTS, commercial off-the-shelf products. So Company A will be your subcontractor because the component is necessary to the total product, and Company B becomes a vendor because you can buy that stuff anywhere and it's just incidental to the contract. So that helps try to shape in your mind as a subcontractor or a prime, or how do I fall in the chain?
Right.
What do we want to tell you? So today, what you need to do is really take a look at your contracts, right? If you're a prime or a vendor or a sub, you ought to know what you are, so you know what flow downs are applicable. And the other piece is start to think about, do you have the right things in place? Have you filed EEO run reports? Do you have your affirmative action reports in place? And those are all things that we can help you with. So anybody out there in the world, we'd love to help you out. Give us a call, give us a shout. Thanks. Bye.
Okay.